Hi guys, I'm Principal Diochea and I'm here to present my 3 traversal post order. So first, you put a class node. Class node. Bracket. Int data. Node left and right. So, input a node. And bracket. So, ang input na dito kay data. So, B left equals to right equals to null. So let's proceed a public class. So void print post order ang tag node bracket so i-counter kay f node is equals to null doon ka equals so return so ito anon ang print post order which is ito ko anong country node.left so ang picas kay print so yun na sila but sa picas kay ang right so node.right and then ito ay print system.out print node.data plus so let's proceed proceed na silang main method which is arita nag-build og tree so node root equals new node so 1 root dot left equals to new node 2 root dot right equals to new node 3 root dot left equals to new node 4 root dot left and right new node 5 dot right equals to new node 6 so magbutang na direct TTPO 3 equals to ato new to new TPO close and open parentheses so ari atong itagon ang tree para ma-build magbutang tag tree print post order equals to ito ko ng root so that's it and ang left na to kay 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 so atong right kay 1, 3, 6 so mo na itong right 1, 3 ug 6 yeah yung atong left kay morning 1, 2, 4, 5 so that's it at I run if mo ba so that's it naguna siya sa 4 5, 2, 3 5, 2, 6, 3, 1 so mao ni ako ang 3 traversal post order so thank you.